Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So today we are making 20 liters of liquid soap and I'll be telling you the functions of each chemical. So first we're starting with sodium sulfate. We're making use of 500 grams. It's one of the things that makes the liquid soap thick. You dissolve it using water and keep it aside for a while for it to dissolve properly. So you add water to it, dissolve, just keep aside. So next, we'll be going in with our sodium lauryl sulfate, which is our SLS, or some you can still call it rice. We're making use of 250 grams. You dissolve in water, stir and keep aside for it to dissolve properly. It causes the soap to lather or foam very well. The third chemical we use is our soda ash. We made use of 250 grams. It's a cleaning agent. It causes the soap to remove stain from clothes. And the fourth chemical we use is our caustic soda. We made use of 25 grams. It's also a cleaning agent. Same role with soda ash. And next we go into our Texapon 500 grams and sulfonic acid 1 liter. Texapon is a foaming agent. It causes the liquid soap to foam alongside with SLS. And also the sulfonic acid is a foaming agent, meaning we have 3 foaming agents. You add the sulfonic acid to the Texapon and dissolve with water so it won't be very thick. So when you're done dissolving that, you also keep it aside. Okay, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified when I drop any video. Please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate you. So next we'll be mixing our sodium benzoate. That's the preservative. I made use of 20 grams. You dissolve it in water, so it causes the soap to last for a long time. To me, sodium benzoate is the best preservative I like to use because it lasts longer. So next is our nitrosol. I made use of 170 grams. So one thing you should know about nitrosol, you don't mix it and keep. It's a thickening agent. It causes the soap to be thick. So you're going to mix it in the bowl. Don't mix it and keep. Please take note. You're mixing it in the bowl. So 17 liters of water. You add your nitrosol. First dissolve it inside the bowl. It's the last thing to dissolve. Don't forget. So it's to be dissolved inside the mixing bowl. Don't dissolve it and keep aside, please. So the first set of chemicals to pour in are your cleaning agents, which is your soda ash and your caustic soda. And the second set of chemicals to add are your foaming agents, which is your SLS, your Texapon, and your sulfonic acid. You mix properly, so it doesn't get foam lumps. Please, when you get to the point of mixing, please mix properly. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix until you know you're done. When it's set, when it's fine, you will know it's fine. So just keep mix properly. And also your fragrance. Add your fragrance to it. I made use of lemon and orange. So I also like making use of mango and orange, but I could not get mango fragrance, so I made use of lemon and orange fragrance. So it still works. You can go with whichever fragrance that you prefer. So, and for the color, I also made use of green color. So I was trying to get this supermarket vibes, supermarket standard kind of. So I made use of green color. So at this point, I'd already poured in my cleaning agent. This is the point that I was turning the foaming agent, which is the SLS, the Texapon, and sulfonic acid. We mix them properly. And then you go in with your fragrance, your color. I also added glycerin because of the quantity I made here. I had to add it. So those that usually have reactions with those that may have reactions with liquid solid to prevent it. So when you are done mixing, you will let it sit for 24 hours. So mine was not really up to 24 hours, but I think I made this at 11 a.m. and the next day at 7 a.m. I had to go on check it. So because my liquid soap was too thick, I had to dissolve with more water. You can also do that.